Hello everyone, welcome to the DOBOR Finance Hub. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn the Microsoft Excel interface. If you are completely new to Excel, don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the different parts of the Excel window and what each one is used for. Yeah, you are all welcome. First of all, before going to understand the interface, the Excel interface and all of that, let us first of all understand what is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is this all package you see in front of my window. This is Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. It is used to store, organize, calculate, analyze, and present data in a structural way. Excel allows users to work with information using rows, columns, and cells. Also, we have talked about spreadsheets. Now, spreadsheet is an electronic made of rows and columns where we can enter and manage data. So, what we are talking about spreadsheet is this part here, this part that I've highlighted. This is what we call spreadsheet, and it contains of rows and columns. This is what we are talking about. So far, so good. Up to here, we have understood what is Excel. We have understood what is a spreadsheet. And let us now go on to our lesson of today. Let us look up here. Up here, this is a title bar. Title bar is at the very top this year. It displays the name of the workbook like this. As you can see, this is book Excel book 1. And the reasons why you see it is book 1, if you have not saved this Excel workbook, it comes automatically like book 1 Excel. But if you save, it can come with different name up here the way you want to save it. Also, under the title bar, you realize you get the search. If you want to search something in your Excel, you use the search part here. Also, you have to minimize part, spread part, and also close part. If you don't want to use this Excel, you use that part to close it. So, let us go next to quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is up here to the left side of your workbook. It contains save, undo, and do. So these commands are always used. You always use commands, these three ones. But also you can see here, I have a tab for share up here for quick access. Next, let us look at the ribbon tabs. Ribbon tabs here, this part is the part we call ribbon tabs. Ribbon tabs is the command tabs. Like now we are at home. You can look at file, you can insert, you can draw, page layout, formulas, data, review. These are new tabs, but we have view here, and also this part, share, if you want to share your workbook to other groups or to somebody you want to share with. These formula bars, when you click them, they have different tools inside here. These tools, they perform different tasks, or they are related to different tasks. Like insert, you can insert anything, you can insert a picture, you can insert anything from this part. When you come to drawings, you can use this, draw something. This is the work of the parts of the ribbon tabs, like layout, how you want a page to look, formulas, which formula you want to use, data, how you want to analyze your data, you want to do it or you want to transport, to review, you want to share, you want to protect your sheet, and also there is a few here to review, also this one here. But let us go back, let us go back home. Let us delete this, let us delete this, let us delete this. Yeah, let us go back home like that. Next, let us go to ribbon. Ribbon, this part is the one that is called ribbon tab. This part, it contains cut, copy, as you can see, format, paint, clip, paste. This is the work of this part here in our Excel interface. Also, let us go to name box. Name box, this shows the reference of the current selected cell, like we have selected this cell. So the name box, if you click this cell, you can see the name box shows D5. If you click here, you see L8. So it shows you that you are in cell 8L. You see, that's the work of it. Also, let us go to formula bar. This one, this part here. This is what we call formula bar. Also, the formula bar is where you enter or edit the data and formulas. For example, you have entered a long data here. If you wanted to write a name, Johnson, wanted to write the name Johnson, and then you click the cell, you realize that maybe you didn't write the name Johnson, or you never wanted the name Johnson. Maybe you wanted the name John. So you use this formula bar to delete son from the word Johnson, or the name Johnson, sorry. So next, let us go to worksheet area. Worksheet area is this all area that I've highlighted here. This area that I've highlighted here is what we call worksheet area. This worksheet area is where you enter, edit, or organize your data. It consists of columns and rows, like that, and the rows. This is the worksheet area, and it contains rows and columns. Speaking of rows and columns, let us understand what is rows. Rows run horizontally across the worksheet. They are identified using numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Columns run vertically like that. They are also identified by use of letters A, B, C, D, and so on. Let us look at active cell. Active cell is the cell that we have created, and it is always being bordered with a green color. As you can see, there is a color that is bordering this active cell. And in data you want to enter, maybe you want to change the word John and you want to say Mary, like that. So you see, this is the active cell. That's why you see it is bordered. This is the cell we are working on right now. That's why you see it is bordered with green. Let us go to this part, sheet tabs. Here, you use sheet tabs when you are working with different worksheets, but within one or same workbook. So if you want to add a sheet, you click here, you add a sheet. You see, this is sheet 3. And if you want to delete this sheet, you delete it. Or like that. Also, you want to name this sheet. Maybe you want to name as book 2, like that. You name as book 2. This is our worksheet book 2. This is how you'll name it, and that's how you add the worksheet, and this is how you delete the worksheet. And that's all about the worksheet. Let us go to status bar. Status bar is this part, this down here, this part down here, this part down here. This is the status bar. It displays useful information such as lead mode, average, count, sum, and all of that. So let us see what can the status bar do. So we wanted to do something like that. 5, 5, like that, 6, maybe 5 again. So we want to see what will change down here if we highlight from 20, if we highlight from 20 to there. You can see down here we have average 9.5, we have count 4, and we have sum. Sum is 38, average is 9, and it is from 1 to 4, like that. So let us also go to another part which we call zoom part. This zoom part, shows the minus side means zoom out and the plus side means zoom in. So if you want to reduce the size of this worksheet, you zoom out like that. But if you want to increase the size of it, you zoom in like that. You zoom in to where you want to. But for me, at 100, it's good for me. At 100, I'm good with it. This is all the work of Zoompa. Also, these things you see, they are related like gray. This to go right, this side to go left. Also to scroll up, and this side to scroll down, like that. So, thanks and congratulations. Today you have learned the main parts of Microsoft Excel interface and the purpose of each one. In our next lesson, we will start working with rows, columns, cells, worksheets in more details. Kindly turn on a notification for more lessons to come, for more information about Excel to come, because today we were starting from lesson 1, from beginner learner, to understand first what is Excel before we go deeper into Excel. We can't go deeper before knowing what is Excel, what is the interface of this Excel, and then from there we start now working on it. So kindly subscribe, turn on a notification bell, and also comment, like, and share. Thanks once again for watching. Bye bye. See you.